Unveiling the Open Secret, Understanding the Oxymoron. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive into a fascinating English phrase that sounds contradictory but is widely used, the open secret. This phrase is a great example of an oxymoron, where two opposing ideas are combined to create a new meaning. So, let's explore together what an open secret is and how you can use it in your daily conversations. An open secret is a peculiar kind of secret. It's something that is supposed to be hidden from the public but is actually known by many. The word open implies that something is not closed off or hidden, while secret suggests it is meant to be kept out of knowledge or sight. When put together, these words form an oxymoron because the qualities they describe are in direct opposition to each other. The phrase, open secret, has been in use for a long time, and it captures the irony that can exist in social situations. The irony comes from the fact that sometimes, information that should be confidential becomes so widely spread that it is no longer effective to consider it a secret. Using open secret in a sentence is simple. You can use it to refer to any information that is commonly known, yet officially unacknowledged. For example, it's an open secret that the company is releasing a new product next month. Their relationship was an open secret among their friends before they announced it. The phrase, open secret, often appears in news articles, books, and movies. It's used to describe situations where there is a veneer of secrecy, despite the widespread knowledge of the truth. This can be a useful phrase to understand headlines or plots that involve hidden agendas or insider information. Knowing phrases like open secret is important for English learners because it helps you understand the nuances of the language. It also equips you with idiomatic expressions that can make your conversation sound more natural and fluent. I hope you've enjoyed unraveling the mystery of the open secret. It's a phrase that provides great insight into how language can be playful and contradictory at the same time. Use it to impress with your nuanced understanding of English or simply to add some spice to your daily dialogue. Until our next lesson, keep practicing, and don't keep the knowledge you've learned today a secret, open or otherwise.